nangyari.
From?
TV Site 1.
So, ang question natin is, as a Consolanian, how can you be a responsible digital media user?
We can be a responsible digital user by thinking yung mga consequences ng ginagawa natin sa social media, tsaka by double check kung tama ba yung mga nakikita natin sa
Thank you, Tristan. Kasama natin ngayon si Precious Mabadilla from TV Site. So, ang question natin is, as a Consolanian, how can you be a responsible digital media user?
I think for us to be a responsible digital media user, we should be cautious and vigilant when it comes to what we post, especially kapag yung pagdating sa privacy natin, information na kailangan naman talaga.
Thank you, Precious. Hi, Consolanians. Kasama natin ngayon si Kevin mula sa Bestemon. So, ang question natin ay, as a Consolanian, how can you be a responsible digital media user?
By using it properly. By being responsible.
Thank you po.
I am Roniel Albert Santos, a first-year student from BS Accountancy. There are various things that we can do in order to be a responsible digital media user and also create a safe space for everyone. So as a general rule, we need to follow the same standards online that we follow in real life. For example, we need to respect others' privacy online. It is important because it shows that we care about their feelings and personal space, just like we want ours to be respected. When we respect privacy, we build trust and create a safe environment para sa lahat to freely express themselves without fear of intrusion. Parang bago tayo pumasok sa isang room or sa kwarto, kakatok muna tayo sa pinto bago tayo pumasok. Another one is to share expert knowledge. It helps people learn new things and solve problems more easily. Parang nagbibigay ka ng mga tips or advice for a friend, but on a bigger scale. Pero we need to make sure na yung mga knowledge na i-share natin is unbiased, accurate, and tama.
My name is Sangley De La Cruz from BSN1C. So, as a responsible digital user, I prioritize thinking before acting, that I'm ensuring that my actions consider the impact on others and I respect their privacy by limiting the information I share to only what is necessary to other people.